Hey everyone, so here is Experian Credit Report app. So I think this is one of the top apps to calculating your FICO score and just get overview of your credit score and all of that. So just tap get, and it's 78 megabytes, so you need to have that free storage in your device. Then confirm with your password or Touch ID. And yeah, there are 1.3 million ratings and 4.8 average rating, which is super impressive. So that's that. And let's just wait until it installs. And then you can just tap open. And then you will see an overview here of the app. And then you can either sign in here, or you can just join now for free. Maybe join now gives an error because you need to be located in United States to join now. But yeah, that's basically the app. That's the idea. So hope it was helpful.